coping with the challenges.
The pressure is no more hot on her, because it is obvious that she is not the only woman, the barren woman in this village. Even you and I may not be excluded.
God forbid. I cannot be barren. Eh? My lucky husband will meet me, and I will give him surplus children. As he needs.
Stop deceiving yourself. Even the chief priest, the last time we visited the palace, during the arrival of Princess 17 years ago, said that very soon, bearing will be seized from our land. And after 2 years, his words started manifesting among us.
But this is serious. And I learned that the king and the cabinet are doing nothing about this.
Adugo, when you know that our king has no heir apparent to the throne, but the problem is that the demands of the gods are too venerable.
Now, what are the demands of the gods that cannot be offered to them?
Chibike Samongo is the kind of your virgin, and even me.
Ofiakwa, it's not me, and it can be me. So the gods are demanding for innocent virgin. This is unlike the gods.
In fact, the good news is that the members of the cabinet have finally accepted the demands. But the bad news is that we don't know who it may be.
God, in that case, I have to run away from this village until they appease the gods, because I can't risk my life.
This is a wise decision. Even the princess, who is at the same age with us, is preparing herself. Wait, should that mean she will be used for the sacrifice?
That means the gods are choosing for themselves. That makes it more terrible. Please, I have to go. Are you afraid?
Your daisies belong. How has it been? Has the gods specified their demand?
Your Highness, they did specify their demands. They did. After casting the Lord from kindred to kindred and family to family, Igwe, the Lord fell. Igwe, the Lord fell. Igwe,
why have you suddenly stopped talking to me and you're giggling? Listen, Kezinyobu, haven't I told you that if the gods should demand for my daughter, the princess, the only princess of this great community, I will not hesitate to submit my daughter to the gods, as long as it is for the betterment, it is for the fruitfulness of our community. Elders, talk to me. Talk to me. Gomoku.
Your Highness, the Lord fell on our most able warrior, Agubata, who once used his life to save this land, whose wife died in the process.
Hey.
Igwe, the only offspring that was brought up by the grandmother Adaji and had been a consolation to this old woman, is about to be taken away from her, Igwe.
No, Mbano. The gods could have made a second choice. Have the opportunity to follow my daughter. At least I will use my only daughter. The princess can be replaced. But the point now is, who will replace? Onyega Anochi, elders, talk to me. Onyega Anochi. Onye? Who will replace?
Igwe, it seems I'm talking too much. But we are very sorry. We know that is how you feel because of your late friend Agobata. What he was to you. Eh? And I know you've always mentioned him. Igwe. as we will say, the gods are wise. Igwe, the gods are wise.
Ndichi and my elders, tell me! What am I going to say to my best friend? What am I going to say to him? Because I know that one day, everyone must answer the call to nature. And I know I will be journeying to my ancestors. What am I going to tell him? Tell me, my elders, what am I going to say to him? Well, Ndichiem, my elders, as you can see, my head is filled up. I am filled up. I just need to go and rest, sleep over it, and take my time and deliberate on it. Then I shall get back to you. Meanwhile, I want to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you for all your efforts to ensure the progress and success and fruitfulness of this community. May the gods of our land never cease from blessing you.
I was even coming to your house. Have we heard?
Heard about what again?
That the gods have finally made their choice. Despite how hard the king have tried for them to make another, but they insist on their choice.
Which means it's needless for me to run away again since they finally choose someone already.
Yes, I do go. The ghosts will always have what they want, no matter what.
So the princess will just go just like that.
I wish it was our princess.
If not the princess, then who?
I do go. I'll miss you so much. That's why I've come to see you first.
May the God forbid. Are you trying to tell me that it's you they finally choose? No, this can't be possible.
I also wish it is me. Please, I've got some siblings who will replace me and carry on the blood of my family.
Wait. Are you trying to say? No. No, this can't be possible. No, God.
I'll miss you so much.
No.
I promise that your memory will always be green in my heart. And I will ensure that all the villagers will honor and respect the day you'll be offered.
Why me? Tell me why me. Look at me. Why me? The last 2 nights, and that woman assumed to be my mother just broke the long time kept secret of how I lost my parents. As if she knew what would happen next. She asked me to leave the land immediately.
Oh, do you think it is necessary? You know our villagers got a very strongest warriors and they're always in the palace. You can't run away from their reach.
What are you trying to say? Eh? What are you trying to tell me? I should stay and die just like that? No! Instead I will go and I will place a curse upon this land.
Do go. Please don't talk like that.
I have to go now. I have to go.
Ago.
Ikemba!
Where is she?
Ikemba! We can't find her!
Ah! God forbid!
Yes. We must find her!
Yes! We must find her.
Yes.
If we did not, the anger of the gods will befall us.
We must find him.
We are the great warriors
Yes.
of Umudu. And Adugo must be sacrificed.
Yes! Yes! His blood must be sacrificed. Yes. To our gods.
Ago!
Ikemba!
Take your men to the Isimiri. Now!
Agapi! Asalas! Let's go!
Ibe! Take your man to the boundary of Isi and Imo.
Consider it all! No!
Okute, your father was a great man.
Yes.
Let's go.
Your time is up!
Ibe, my love, I will allow you take my pride and virginity. Then I will conceal it. After which we shall leave this land to a strange land. Remember, that has always been your wish. And that of other warriors.
No, Adugo! Not anymore! There's no immortal can start a food from the gods. Adugo, that's your fate!
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! After!
Not only to walk, listen and watch. Follow the anchor. We must find her. Yes! Let's go.
Till the day will be offered to the gods and all the days of Umudu, there shall be no peace, and all families, all will be at war.
Shut up, Adugo!
Shut up! Why are you laying claws on the innocent people? Listen to yourself before you erupt on your anger on the people. Do you think we derive joy from carrying the order of the gods? No! We are all servants. We all obey orders. Run you out to the palace! Now!
Thank you for the wonderful song.
Okay, my princess.
You're such a wonderful friend. Don't worry, okay? Very soon, everything will be fine.
Thank you, my princess.
You're welcome. Here, my gift.
Oh, my princess, this is very beautiful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're such a wonderful friend.
Thank you, my princess. You know, you've just given me a sense of belonging. You know, I'm an orphan in this village.
Don't talk like that. You're my friend.
Yes,
It's not like that, Joe.
okay, now, okay. Princess, you're always making me.
Indeed, Adugo is your childhood friend, just as her late father and the Igwe, your father. But at this point, I don't think there is anything anyone can do. Please, my daughter.
But mother, why? Mother, why must it be Adugo? Mother, I prepared myself for this. Why didn't the gods choose me? Why must it be Adugo the orphan? Mother, why are the gods so cruel? Why?
My daughter, no one has to question the words of the gods. There is nothing anyone can do at this point. Please, my daughter.
Mother, you don't understand. You don't understand. Mother, this girl is my friend, my very good friend. Mother, she has stood by me, she has fought for me, Mother. And now, you expect me to just sit down here and believe that there is nothing anyone can do about it? But I am ready to fight the gods.
Masili, watch your tongue. Watch what you say. I think something has come over you. Oh my God.
Excuse me, mother.
Oh no. Omalicham, Akugum, my princess. Please, I am sorry. I'm sorry to shout at you. Please, sit down, my daughter. I mean well for you. I mean good.
I've had you, mother.
Please, my daughter.
Your Highness, you can make your wishes.
From today, I declare that as today come to an end, I declare that Umudu will be a new dawn. Everything in Umudu will start being fruitful. We shall prosper in all that we do. Anything our people will lay their hands to do, they shall prosper. And above all, the gods of our land will never cease to rain his blessings upon us and our children.
Now the elders, you can make your wishes for your children and unborn generation.
May the blood of this Median not be on our children, but let it advocate for our remaining Medians, our youths, our unborn generation. Mama, hey, mama. That's it.
So, sisters, how are we going to live on this dry land where only few people dwell on?
Mother said we shall dwell right inside the mystery UDARA tree to bring her glory and all the worshipping of the people. Also, to make sure that no one breaks the seal of the covenant.
And what are we taking him for fun, knowing that their men are so unkept and very few?
Don't forget that the UDARA tree is of fruitfulness and multiplication. These few people shall be great someday, whom we shall rule over.
I shall have as much men as I desire, and all of them shall be my slaves forever.
Let's hurry now to occupy, before other wandering spirits take advantage of the tree.
We are welcome to Umudu, our slaves for eternity.